Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm TJ and today I'm gonna try to teach you how to crochet the magic ring aka magic circle. I know that there's so much people struggling with the magic ring, so I hope this tutorial will solve this problem for you. The magic ring is this little ring you see here. Today I will show the method I'm using to make the magic ring and hope it will be more understandable for you. So let's start with the tutorial itself. As this tutorial is for all the people who are struggling with the magic ring aka magic circle, I want to explain something first. This is the yarn tail, and this is the part where the yarn is coming from the bow itself. This is good to know before we start with the magic ring. Now I will show how I'm making the magic ring, at least how I do it myself all the time. And for this reason, take the yarn tail, place it into your palm on top of your first two fingers this way. Then secure it with your thumb and take the yarn which is coming from the bow itself. Wrap it around your fingers and crossing it on top of the yarn tail. This is the look what we will have in the inside of our hand. Place your thumb on top here and turn your fingers. Now you will see that we have two parallel lines. Take the yarn which is coming from the bow, place it under your next finger and secure it here. This is the look and this is the inside. Put your thumb again to secure the yarn, turn your work, and we have two parallel lines. Now take your hook, insert it under the first line, grab the second line, pull it through the first one, twist your hook, then grab the yarn which is coming from the bow itself and pull it through the loop on the hook. Now take off the ring, and when you turn it, you will see that we created the magic ring. Now it's time to work our stitches into this ring. We have to work our stitches under these both lines. I will make 6 single crochets. It's 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now place your right hand thumb on top of the stitches, take the yarn tail with your left hand and just pull it to tighten the magic ring. And if you are working in a continuous round, make 1 single crochet on top of the first stitch. If you are working in joint rounds, make a slip stitch on top of the first stitch, and your first round and your magic ring is done. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if it, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share this tutorial with your friends. See you in my next ones.